A few moments later.
I'm Almarjan Castro. Welcome to my blog. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So we can tackle about 5 pillars: the law enforcement, prosecution, court, correction, and community. So first, we can tackle about law enforcement. This is where the system starts, which we can see the law enforcement agency as PNP and NBI. This agency will be the first one to act in a case. They will be the one to enforce and do the investigation. So sila daw yung magkagawa ng investigation kahit anong anggulo kung saan yung pinangyarihan ng krimen o salarin. So mahanapan nila doon ng ebidensya upang gagamitin sa court o panlaban doon sa salarin. So next, prosecution is the process of prosecuting, where the prosecutor will look for probable cause and can file a case upon finding strong evidence that can be used to pursue formal charges against the accused after the final judgment. So prosecution o prosecutor will look the case o file na yung malakas upang panlaban doon sa accused after the final judgment. So next one is the court. Is a formal venue where the trial is held with the judge for the administration of justice between the accused and the victim. This is also where the final judgment will take place after hearings. So dito daw paghaharapin daw yung victim at accused. So also where the final judgment will take place in hearings. So dito nila gaganapin yung pag-uusapan. At sa correction, if the accused found guilty beyond reasonable, damage incurred is a offense. So dito na yon kung guilty ba daw ang accused o not guilty. Community, after the criminal rehabilitate serves, so after daw makukulong yung accused, may sala, pagkatapos nung rehabilitation niya, pupunta siya doon sa community at magbagong buhay. At yun lang po, at maraming salamat.